Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to design landing page in WordPress. So let's begin. Alright, to design the landing page in the WordPress, first of all what I'm going to use here is actually the Elementor. So for that we're going to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin, and here we have to install Elementor. And as you can see here, we are having Elementor at the top of the search. Okay, so I have already installed and activated this, but you need to install this. Okay, and after this, in the themes, I'm actually using the Astra theme. So if you don't have the Astra theme installed, you're gonna go inside the themes, and here you're gonna click on add new theme, and here you will search for Astro here. Okay, so you can see here we are having the Astro at the top of the search. Okay, so from here we need to install the Astra theme, and I have already installed this. So you're gonna see the option of install just like this. Okay, so after this what we have to do, we're gonna go inside the pages here and click on the add new page. So let's just give it a name of new landing page. So let's click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so here first of all I'm gonna go inside the page settings, and from here I'm going to change the layout of the page to the Elementor canvas. And now we're going to design our landing page. Okay, so let's click on add container here. We're going to go here with the flex box, and here we'll actually go here with a single column structure. Let's just change this to the full width, and we are going inside the advanced settings and put the value of the padding to the 0. Now let's click on add element. So the first element would be the heading, and after that I'm going to have the paragraph, and after that I'm actually going to have a button. Alright, so this is going to be after the text. This is looking better. Okay, so now what I have to do, I would actually need to add the background image in our container. So let's go inside the style here and click on the background type. That would be classic, and I will add the image here. Alright, so I will go here with this image, click on select, and now what we have to do, we have to increase the size of our container. So we're gonna go inside the layout, and let's just add the height here, but it will be in the VH. So I'm gonna go here with 90 VH. Alright, so this is looking better. And now what we have to do, we're gonna put our content into the center. Alright, and let's just go inside the style, and let's just change the display size to the cover. Alright, so now what we have to do, we would actually need to add the background overlay. So let's click on the background overlay, and here we're gonna select the color. So it will be a kind of dark blue color here. Okay, so we're gonna go here with the dark blue color. Alright, so I'm gonna go here with this one. And after this, what I have to do, I have to change the color of my heading. So this will be white color. So let's change the color of the text to the white color, and same for the paragraph. So let's change this to the kind of white color, or maybe you can go here with a grayish color, but let's just consider the white color here, a little bit darker. Okay, and I think this is looking fine. And similarly, we're gonna change the border radius of our button here. So let's add 20 px here, or we can go here with the 25. Yes, and we can also change the typography here of our button text. So let's click on the typography, and from here we're gonna change the letter spacing. So this will be 0. Now this is looking better. Or we can go here, let's say with 0.5, or we can go here with 1 px. And what else we need to do, let's just change the weight of it. So this will be, let's say, semi bold. All right, and now what we have to do, I'm going to also change the text here of my heading. So this will be okay, so this will be beyond the limits. I'm going to add one more text, that will be go. Okay, so this will be our text here. And after this, what we're going to do, we're going to add some padding onto our left side. So let's just add the padding on our left side. So this will be, let's say, 30 px, or we can go here with a 50 px. All right, we're going to do the same thing in our text. So this will be 50 px here as well. And also I'm going to add the padding from the right side. Okay, so this will be maybe 200 px. Okay, so we can go here with the 700 px right now. And in the last, we are having our button. So let's add the padding here. So this will be also 50 px. And now this is looking good. And now I'm going to change the font size of my heading. So let's just add, let's say the 60 px maybe, or we can go here with 90. Yes, this is looking good. And what we can do here, we're going to go inside our advanced settings and let's just add the padding from the right side. Alright, so we have added 900 px from the right side. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, now what we have to do, we're going to go inside our container again and let's just export the shape builder. And I'm going to add the shape from the bottom side. So this will be, let's say, we're going to go here with clouds. Not really. I think I'm going to change here to the waves. Yes, this is looking better. And we can also change the width of it from here, but we're going to go here with the default value. And after this, we also have the height of it. So if you want to change the height of it, you can also do this from here. But let's go here with the default values here. And you can also flip this if you want to. And you can also invert this from here. Okay, and if you wanted to change the color of this, so I'm going to give it a kind of grayish color here. A really light gray color. Maybe this one. Yeah, we're going to go here with this one. And I'm going to also copy the background color from here. Alright, so our hero section is ready, but I'm going to do one thing here. Let's just go inside the style and let's just go inside the typography and let's just change the line height here. Okay, so I'm going to go here with this one, 90 px in the line height. Okay, so our first section is ready now. So now what we have to do, we're going to add our second section. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to add the heading. So let's just add the heading here. So in the heading, let's just add the benefits. So let's just write down the benefits. Perfect. So let's just put this into the center. And after this, what I have to do, I have to change background color of our container. So let's just go into the style. And here, let's just add the background color that we have copied earlier. Perfect. Now what we have to do, let's just go back to the add element. And I'm going to add one more container. Perfect. So now let's just add the icon boxes. Okay, so let's go inside the add element again, write down the icon here and you will be able to see icon box. So we have to drag this and put this here. And I actually have to duplicate this. So let's just duplicate this. And we're going to do this again. Okay, one thing that we have to do in our container is to change its direction. So from the vertical direction to the horizontal direction. Okay. And now what we have to do, I'm going to click on our heading here. So let's just change the text here. So this will be benefit 1. So this will be benefit 2. And this will be benefit 3. And we can also change the icons here. So right now I'm actually going here with the random icons, but you will need to use the icons accordingly based on your benefits or something else. Okay, so let's go here with maybe this one. And let's just go on the second one, click on the icons. And here what we have to do, we're going to go here with the task. Let's just click on the first one and click on the icon. And here we're going to go here with the shopping cart. Okay, so let's click on insert. Alright, so now let's just add some space from the top on our container. So let's go inside the advanced settings. And we need to add the padding from the top. So let's go here with the 30 or we can go here with the 60 or 50. And similarly, we're going to add some space from the bottom side. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to create one more section here. So let's click on add container, click on flexbox. And this will be the 2-column structure. So in the first one, we're going to have the heading. Okay, so after the heading, we need to have the icon boxes. Okay, so let's go here into the add element, write down the icon here, and let's just add the icon box. And now I have to duplicate this. Alright, so we have added the 4 icon boxes here. So now what I have to do, let's just add the heading here. So this will be the features. Okay. Alright. And now what we have to do, let's just change the direction of the icon and its text. So we're going to go into the style and let's just change the position of the icon to the left side. And we're going to do the same thing on the other icon boxes. Let's just do the right click here and click on paste style, and let's just do this again. Perfect. And now we're going to add our image here. So now let's just drag the image from here, click on the choose image, and we're going to go here with this image. Let's just click on the select, and now let's just go into the style. And now from here we will need to increase the height here. So let's increase the height, or maybe we can go here with 600, and we're going to change the object field to the cover. Perfect. Alright, so now what we have to do, we need to add some padding in our first column. Okay, so let's go into the advanced settings, and we're going to add some padding here. So let's add 20 px, or we can go here with 30 px, but I think 25. Okay, so I think we're going to go here with the 20 px. And now what else we need to do, let's just click on our heading and let's just add some spacing here. So we're going to add the padding, so it will be in the bottom. So let's just go here with the 40 px, or we can go here with the 30, or maybe with the 20 here right now. And now what we have to do, let's just change the styling of our icon box here. So I'm going to decrease the size of the icon here. So let's just change its size here. Alright, so I think I would go here with the 30 px. And also on the heading, I think the heading is looking fine. We just need to change the font size of our paragraph. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, we're going to go inside the content. And here we're going to change the typography of the description. So let's change the size of the text. I'm going to go here with the 15 px. Alright, so after changing the font size of our description, now what we have to do, we would actually change the color of our icon. Okay, so this would be in blue color. So let's click on the default colors, and in the theme colors, we are having this blue color. So I'm going to use this one. All right. And now I have to copy this styling to the other icon boxes. So let's copy this, and we have to paste a style here, also on this one, and also on this one. Now you can see here, this is looking really good here. And what we have to do, we have to decrease the size of the padding here. So we're going to go here with the 20 or the 10 here. And after this, what we have to do, let's just change the icons here. So right now I'm going here with the random icons, but you will need to choose the icons accordingly. So here, let's just go here with this one. And on this one, let's click on icon. I'm going to go here with the store. And on the third one, let's click on icon. I'm going to go here with the toolbox. And after this, we have one more icon. So let's change this. So this will be, let's say, the pager, or we can go here with the paintbrush. Perfect. And now we can change the heading here. So this will be the feature 4. Let's just copy the title here. Let's just add this here. So this will be 3, and this will be feature 2. And the first one would be feature 1. Perfect. So here we are done here with our second section, but we have to put this into the center. So let's click on our main column, and let's just go inside the layout, put the content into the center. Now this is looking good. Okay. And now what we have to do, we just have to add some space from the top. So let's go inside the advanced settings, and here we can add some padding here, maybe the 30 px, or we can go here the 50. We can go here the 30 px, and also on the bottom I will need to add the 50 px in the bottom. Okay. All right, so one last thing that we have to do in our second column, we will need to mask our image. Okay, so let's go inside the advanced settings and click on the mask here, enable the mask, and this will be the circle. And yes, this is looking good. Okay, and you can also play with these values here. So you can change the shape here from the circle to flower to sketch, triangle, and you can also see the other options here. But we're gonna go here with the circle. All right. And after this, what we have to do, we're gonna add the testimonials. Okay. So we're gonna go inside our add element again, And after this, we will actually add our testimonial section. So let's click on add container. We're going to go here with the flex box. This will be the single column structure. Let's just add the heading here. And after this, we need to add one more container. So let's just add the container after this. And inside the container, we'd actually need to add the testimonial. Okay. So let's write down testimonial here. Let's just drag this and put this here. And in the container, I have to change the direction to the horizontal. Okay. Now I have to duplicate this. Perfect. So now what we have to do, we have to change the background color of our container just like before. So we're going to click here, go into the style, click on the color, copy the color from here. Let's just go to our testimonial section, click on the container, go into the style, and let's just add the background color. All right, so here in the testimonial section, let's just change the heading here. So this will be testimonials, and we're going to put this into center. Perfect. And similarly, we're going to go inside our testimonial widget. And here, what we need to do, you can see this, we are having the content here. So if you want to change the content here, you can do this from here. And if you want to change the image here, you can also do this from here. And after this, we have the name in the title. So I'm going to keep all the default values. Okay. But we're going to go inside the style here. And here, what we have to do, let's just go inside the typography of the content. And let's just change the font size of our content. So this will be 15px. We can go here with the 18. Okay. So I think this is looking good. And then what we have to do, let's just go inside the name here. And I'm going to make the name look bold. So let's just change the weight here to the semi-bold. This is looking fine. And we can do one more thing here. We're going to go inside the advanced setting. And here we're going to change the background color. So this will be the white background color. All right. And we're going to add some border radius. So let's go here with the 10px. Okay. And let's just add some padding here now. So I'm going to add 20px, or we can go here with, let's say 30, or we can go here with 20. Okay, the 20 is looking fine. And now what I have to do, I'm going to simply copy the style from this one and paste the style on the second one and also on the third one. Now you can see here, this is how it is looking. Okay, so I missed to do one thing here. So that is actually adding the box shadow. So for that, we need to go inside the border. And let's just add the box shadow here. Okay, so I'm going to simply change the color here. So this will be a kind of really light color, because I just want to have the lightest box shadow. Okay, so I think this is looking fine. Yeah, this is looking fine. So we can simply copy this and paste the style here. Let's just paste the style here. Perfect. And now what we have to do, let's just add some spacing at the top and the bottom. So let's go inside the advanced setting. And let's just add 50px at the top, and let's just add 60px at the bottom. Perfect. And we can do the same thing here on our benefit cards. So we're going to simply click on this one. Let's just change the color of our icon. So we're going to click on the icon here, go here with the theme color. And also what you have to do, we're going to change the background color here. So this will be, let's say, the white color. So let's change this to the white color. And let's just add some border here. So we're going to go here with 10px. We're going to add the border radius here, but we'll go here with the lightest color, just like before. And we're going to add some padding now. So this will be 20px, or we can go here with 30px. Yeah, I think we're going to go here with the 30px. Perfect. So now you can see here, this is how it is looking. And now I'm going to simply copy the style from the first one and put it on the second one and also on the third one. And now you can see here, this is how our benefits are looking, and this is looking really good. And after this, what we have to do, we're going to go here with our story section or something like this. So it will actually have the video and some text into it. So let's click on the 2-column structure, and we're going to go here with the video here. So let's drag the video, And on the second section, we're going to have some heading. So let's add the heading here. After this, we are going to have some paragraph. And in the last, we are going to have the button. Perfect. So now what we have to do, let's just change the heading here. So this will be, let's say, our story, something like this. And now what we have to do, we're going to simply go here and let's just copy the styling of our paragraph here. And we're going to put this on here. Let's click on paste style. Alright, so I think this didn't work. So we're going to change the values here. So we're going to go into the advanced settings. Okay, so we're going to change this to the 0. Alright, so what we have to do now? Alright, so now we have to go into the style. So we're going to change the color of the text. This will be the black color. And we're going to also add some spacing on our story as well. But let's just change this here right now. So we're going to go inside the advanced again. And let's just add the padding on the right side as well. So this will be the 50px as well. Or we can go here with the 100px. Yes, we're going to go here with the 100. And let's just copy the styling from here. Put this on our story and also on our button. And on our button, we're going to also copy the styling of this button. And we'll simply put this here. That's it. Okay, and we're going to change the background color here. So here we're going to go with the dark color. So let's go here with the blue color. Okay, perfect. And here we're going to change this color to the white. Kind of grayish color that we have. And in the text color, we're going to have the blue color of our theme. So let's click on the theme color. Now this is looking good. And we would also need to change the color of our text. So this will also be white. And this is also going to be white. Okay, and we're going to also change the weight of this. So this will be semi-bold. Okay, so this is looking good now. And now what we have to do, we have to put this into the center. And now let's just add some space in our container from the top and the bottom. So on the top, let's just go here with 50px. And on the bottom, let's just go here with 60px. And now this is looking good. Okay, so now we're going to have our last section here. So this will be kind of call to action button. So here we're going to click on add container, go here with the flex box, and let's go here the single column structure. And here what we have to do, let's just add the heading here. And after this, let's just add the button here. Okay, so let's drag the button. So let's change the heading to call to action, whatever you want to write down here. Let's just put this into the center. And I'm going to also put the button into the center. And also change the styling of the button here. So let's copy this. And let's just paste it here. And I'm going to put this into the center. And we will need to add the spacing from the top. So we're going to go here with 100 and also with 120 at the bottom. Perfect. So now what we have to do, we're going to add the text color here. So this will be the black color. Okay, so in the heading, so let's click on this one. And what we have to do, we're going to actually go inside the typography, change the weight to the semi-bold. This is looking good. Alright, so now we need to add the background color here. So this will be actually black color. So let's add the black color here. And we're going to change the text color here. So this will be the white color. Alright, so you can see here, our last section is ready. So we're going to simply change the text here. So let's go inside the content. So here we can just write down sign up or something, whatever you want to write down here. And after this, we're going to scroll up and let's see if we do have missed anything here. All right. So I think our design is looking perfect. Okay, so one thing that we can do here, that if you wanted to add the logo here as a transparent logo or something, what you would actually need to do, you would actually need to add the container. So we're going to add the one more container here. Flexbox, we're going to have the single column structure. And here we can go here with the 2-column structure. Okay, so here what we need to do, we're going to drag this to the top. Okay, so I have to wrap this first. Alright, so I have to take this container at the top here. Okay, so now you'll be able to see this container at the top. Alright, so here I just need to add the logo here. So I'm going to simply add the image here, and let's click on the choose image, and from here we can actually select our logo. So let's click on select. Okay, so on my logo I'm going to go inside the style and put this onto the left side. And now what I have to do, I'm going to simply click on the container and go here the 0px. And now what we have to do, we're going to click on our hero section. Let's just go inside the advanced setting. Alright, so now we're going to add the margin, but as the negative value. Okay, so we're going to add, let's say, minus 10 here, or I think it would be, let's say, 30 or 50. Okay, so it will be 80. So now what we have to do, we're going to go inside the image here because our logo is hidden right now, and we actually need to change the Z index value. So if I just write down 1 here, now you will be able to see our logo here. And this is how you can have the transparent logo as well if you want to. Alright, so we're going to simply click on this, and this will be the full width. Perfect. And we can add some spacing here if you wanted to. So let's go inside our image here, and here we're going to add some padding to the left side. So let's put this to the 50, or we can go here with the 40. So let's settle for the 30px here. Now this is looking perfect. And what we have to do here, let's just click on our second container, which is the hero section. Go inside the layout, and we're going to change here min height. Okay, so I think we're going to go here with the 95. So let's publish this. So now let's click on preview changes and have a look on our landing page. And this is how our landing page is looking. As you can see here, this is looking really great. So this is how we can design the landing page in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.